Hello. All right, we're going to continue talking about learning about descriptions. So today we're going to read different texts, two of them, to decide whether the text is a descriptive piece or if it's some other type of writing. So first I'll model how I can tell if a writing piece is descriptive or not, and then you will have some time to practice. Okie dokie. Okay, so descriptive text number 1. So this is called the see-through stomach frogs. And yes, it's a real thing. Quick Google search. What? Look at that frog. You can see its organs. It's transparent. It is called the see-through stomach frog. Okay, so here's our writing about see-through stomach frogs. And I want you to listen and think, does it have all the parts of our descriptive checklist? All right. Frogs with translucent bellies are called glass frogs. They live high up in tree canopies near streams and creeks in Central and South America. Scientists consider the newly discovered frog's lack of stomach color a mystery, but they think the green coloration on its back might help it stay hidden as they hang onto the undersides of leaves. These creatures are nocturnal, so they sleep during the day. Staying high in the trees and using camouflage help protect the glass frogs. How cool. All right, so after we do our reading, we need to go check our descriptive checklist sample. If it doesn't have a part, it's a sad face. If it does, it's a happy face. And if it has all happy faces, then boom, it's a descriptive writing. So in the beginning, it says topic. Do I introduce the topic? So our topic is about see-through stomach frogs. So yes, check, there's a title. Do I define the topic? Okay, well, let's reread. Frogs with translucent bellies are called glass frogs. That defines it. So yeah, 2 smiley faces. So far, fingers crossed, this is a descriptive writing piece. Now we have to go into the middle. We have to see if big idea number 1, does it have an idea about its topic? So is there an idea, fact, or definition about see-through stomach frogs? So facts about them. Let's see. They live high up in tree canopies near streams and creeks in Central and South America. Whoa, so many checks will go in the smiley face. They told us where they live, what they live in, what it is near, and the exact places. So 4 facts in 1 sentence. Do I have facts and definitions to explain my big idea? Yup. Okay. Now, big idea number 2. Do I have 2 or more ideas about my topic? Well, let's see. Scientists consider the newly discovered frog's lack of stomach color a mystery, but they think the green coloration on its back might help it stay hidden as they hang onto the undersides of leaves. Yep, there's more facts about see-through stomach frogs. So smiley face. The creatures are nocturnal. Ooh, another fact. So they sleep during the day. They stay high up in the trees and use camouflage to help protect the glass frogs. Oh yeah. Do I have facts and definitions to explain my second or more big idea? Another smiley face. This is looking good. All right, at the end, at the closure, did they bring everything together? Staying high in the trees and using camouflage help protect the glass frogs. Yep, they wrapped it all up. Smiley face. I gotta go back, though, for the last section of other. Did they use linking words? Like first, second, then last, commas. Let's see. Now, I'm not seeing those type of linking words. So I would put like maybe a line in the middle and go back and add some, but this example, descriptive text number 1, is definitely a descriptive writing piece. It passes all of our smiley faces. It could use some linking words, but that could just make it better. All right, so let's see. What about descriptive text number 2? So this is called Freddy the Frog. All right, our picture is the same. Let's see if this is also a descriptive writing. Freddy the Frog was at it again. He was up during the day, hopping through the trees, even though he was supposed to be sleeping. Out of the corner of his eye, he saw a large snake slither by. Freddy began to sweat. Snakes were his biggest fear. He just knew he would have listened if he had listened to his parents, but the bugs had looked so yummy that morning. Freddie froze and hoped his glass belly camouflage would help him blend in with the tree. This was very hard because at the very moment a fly landed right next to Freddie. Don't move! Don't eat the fly! Don't eat the fly! Freddie thought over and over again. Phew! The snake slithered on his way, and Freddie was able to hop home. As he snuggled in next to his parents, he thought, I promise not to sneak out again. Now, my gut tells me that's a narrative, a silly story. But let's go through our checklist. So, do I introduce the topic? Freddie the Frog. All right, it's got a topic. There's a smiley face. Do I have to find the topic? Now, it did talk about Freddie the Frog as a character, but descriptive writing is nonfiction, so it can't be a silly story. It's supposed to be facts. Uh-oh, sad face. Big idea 1. Do I have an idea about my topic? I don't see facts or definitions about Freddie the Frog. It's just a story about him, so sad face. If we don't have one, we can't have more than one, sad face. All right, what about the closure? Did I bring everything together? He promised his parents he wouldn't sneak out again. A talking frog? This is not a descriptive writing, guys. This is just a silly story about a frog that can talk and gets into trouble. This is not a descriptive writing. This is just a really silly story. So this would get all sad faces, not descriptive. So when we do descriptive writing, we have to remember that in the beginning, there needs to be a clear topic that is defined. In the middle, there needs to be one idea that has facts and definitions. And then our bonus is that there's 2 or more. So you have to have at least 2 ideas about the topic with facts and definitions. At the end, you have to have a closure to bring everything together and using linking words. So descriptive text number 1 was actually our descriptive text. It just needed some linking words to make it even better. All right, so no silly, creative, awesome stories. Those have a different place in 2nd grade. This week, just descriptive text with topics, definitions, facts, and conclusions with linking words.